Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to use the Move Canvas tool found in Pencil Spaces. So the Move Canvas tool allows you to move around the infinite whiteboard in your space. So I can use this tool by clicking the hand icon found at the bottom of my page and holding down on my keypad and dragging to move around my whiteboard. If you would like to use this tool by using a shortcut, you can hold the space bar down on your keyboard. Click and drag around your space. You can move anywhere on the whiteboard. As soon as you release the space bar on your keyboard, you will no longer be using the Move Canvas tool. Another shortcut to do this is right-clicking on your mouse or keypad, holding down, and moving around. Once you release, you will no longer be using the Move Canvas tool. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand corner of your screen.